Nuclear fission reactors.
What is it?
I know. A nuclear fission reactor is a device for producing controlled release of nuclear energy. A fission reactor consists basically of a mass of fissionable material, usually encased in shielding and provided with devices to regulate the rate of fission and an exchange system to extract the heat energy provided.
But what is nuclear fission?
I know the answer to that. Nuclear fission is a nuclear reaction in which the nucleus of an atom splits into smaller parts.
But, do you know how it works?
No.
Well, a nuclear reactor are basically heat engines. As uranium fissions, the breaking apart of atoms releases energy, much of it in the form of heat, which can then be used to do work.
Oh, I get it. This is why nuclear reactors are used to make energy.
Since you get it, let's take it outside. Let's go! Come on!
This is a rough sketch of a nuclear fission reactor. It is usually dome-shaped and has thick walls. The reactor core is here, and it is filled with water, which is a primary coolant to keep it from melting. The pipes are the secondary coolant, and they circle around the reactor core. Also, they provide more contact space for the heat exchange. It cools the primary coolant, but it can also get really hot. This produces steam, which comes shooting out here. Steam runs into a turbine and makes a spin. The turbine powers the generator to produce energy. Then to cool the turbine, the steam is also inverted to cooling towers. The cooling tower on the right then emits steam, which floats down into the tower to the left and goes back into the reactor as the secondary coolant.
But you're forgetting something.
Oh, right, what the reactor core contains.
That's right. There are pieces of uranium, not that much, just enough to fit in your hand and can power a generator for many years.
But when 1 quart of uranium decays, it causes another uranium atom to decay with it. What do we do then? That's not going to happen because there are control rods which are lowered to cover most of the uranium. However, there is still some uranium exposed.
Yes, the whole point of the reactor core is to create heat. When the uranium decays, it releases a lot of energy, which is most of the time heat.